Alright, what's up guys? And I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get these sounds for your keyboard. As you can see, I think you can hear it right now. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, you can hear it right now, I think so. Yeah, okay, yeah, you can, hold on. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to get those things, the sounds. So, actually first what you're gonna do, open a new tab, search up Mechvibes. You're gonna get it, and it's gonna do this. Now just go to download, and where is it? I think it was this one. Yeah, and then just press on the green one. You're gonna wait like 5 seconds, and then you're just gonna wait. Uh, so I'll come back once it's done. Alright, so now it is done. This is a short video. I'm gonna close this one. Where is it? Alright, so he's gonna press it right here. It's automatically gonna open. Mine is already done, as you can see. The one that I use is this one. So you can change the volume. You can go to more sounds, and actually there's sound packs that you can get. Like right here, you can get some custom ones. Let me do Osu. So you're gonna download this. Uh, okay. How do I download this again? I don't really fucking know. Oh, right here. Hold on. Alright, so you're gonna download that. Don't open it with that. So just go to your files, extract them, I think. Yeah, extract it all. Just put extract all. Open this and open your Mechvibes. So go to open file location. I'm pretty sure that's what you do. Yeah, open file location. I really don't know how to do that, like to add sounds. But I'm pretty sure that's how you actually do it. You can search up the how to do it on the rest. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's basically it. But yeah, that's pretty much it of how to uh get those sounds for like to relax and shit. Uh so yeah, peace, and thank you for watching my channel. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Like please, I'm actually trying to like grow this channel. So yeah. See you guys later on the next video. I just made another video of how to macro on the hood. So yeah, peace.